Okay, so we're going to look at what the internet actually is and how it works. Yes, I know you're wondering why will I be talking about the internet and how it works? Of course, everybody knows how the internet works. Get a browsing phone and then you have access to the internet. Yes, I know that, but it is important I make this video to explain what the internet is so you understand how it really works. Is the internet something that exists somewhere, or is it a mirage? Does it exist everywhere? Who are the stakeholders of the internet? Can anybody shut down the internet? Is it possible that I wake up one day and my phone can no longer communicate with Google? You get the point. So that's why I'm making this video. It is very important that I know you have a an overview of what the internet is because you probably have accessed it a few times. But this video will help you understand what it is basically and how it actually works. Now you see this, you're wondering also why this image up here. You're having a couple of boxes. Now imagine these boxes, each of these boxes is a device, a mobile device or a computer, let's say a computer. So this is a phone, which is a computer. This is a desktop computer. This is a laptop. This is a Linux machine. This is a computer. This is another computer, a phone. Do you understand? So each of these is a mobile device or a device that runs code. You get it? A computer, which means it can compute pieces of code. That's what your phone does. That's what your laptop does. That's what your Linux machine does. They all compute pieces of code. So now we're having different computers here. This used to be what we had in back in the 80s, 1981 to 3, just before the internet came to be. Now, look at this. This is what the internet is. The internet is a web of connected devices. You see, each of these devices are able to compute code. When they start communicating with each other, it becomes the internet. That's why it's called internet. You get it? It's a network. Sorry, it's a network of networks. You understand? So different networks of connected devices communicating and being able to reach out to each other. That's the internet. So you see these devices being able to reach out to these, and the others. This is able to reach out to these, and the others. This is a very clear picture of what the internet is. Now, somebody wants to ask me, can somebody take down the internet? Or where does the internet exist? The internet does not exist in any particular place. Neither can one person just shut down the internet. If you take this device out of the picture, does the web crash? No, it does not, because there are other devices that are connected also. That's just it. The internet is not a particular place, it's not something that exists in a particular place that one person can seize and lay hold of. No, the internet is a web of different networks. It's a network of different devices, multiple devices. Now on this in this frame, we're having one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. We're having 8 devices interconnected here. But the internet in real life is a network of millions and millions of devices, millions and millions of devices. So you may take away a few hundreds of thousands and then the internet still remains. The internet still remains. For you to crash the internet, you would have to make sure you take out all phones, all computers, all servers in the world, which I think is not possible. So that is it, a ground understanding of what the internet is and how it works.